When discussing programming, it's essential to recognize its dual nature. It's both an art and a science. While this might seem contradictory, let's explore this idea further. At its core, programming is scientific. It's based on formal methods, rules, and structured logic. Every code you write, every algorithm you employ, relies on proven methodologies. The computer operates based on precise logic gates, binary operations, and circuits. This precision, this rigor, is the scientific aspect of programming. But then, why isn't every programmer merely called a computer scientist? Why do we even have terms like software engineer or developer? That's because programming goes beyond science. Two programmers can be given the same problem, and each might craft a completely different solution, both correct, but each with its distinct style, efficiency, and elegance. This personal touch, this flair and creativity, is the artistic side of programming. As future programmers, understanding this duality will allow you to approach problems with both a structured methodology and a creative lens. Consider social media algorithms. They decide what news gets prominence, potentially influencing public opinion and even election outcomes. Then there are AI models predicting who should get parole, who gets a loan, or diagnosing medical conditions. A mere bug, an intentional bias in your code, can have life-altering consequences. You're not just coding applications, you're coding society, shaping futures. Ethical considerations must always be at the forefront. One can't discuss the philosophy of modern computing without touching upon open source. It's not just a way to share code, it's a movement, a philosophy. An idea that software should be free, modifiable, and distributable challenges traditional notions of ownership and commerce. As you delve into Python, know that it thrives because of the open source community. Every time you use a library or a tool, remember that it's the collective work of countless individuals, freely shared. Computing is not a solitary field tucked away in some digital realm. It's intertwined with our daily lives, our history, our ethics, and our society. As we progress further into this course, keep these philosophical foundations in mind. Python is a tool, but how you wield it and to what end is an art form that will define you as a programmer.